How to fix Facebook news feed problem. In today's video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to open Facebook right now. Scroll down and click on storage option. Click on the last button, clear data, okay, and click on clear cache also. Now you have to back click on force stop and now go and go to your Play Store directly and update your Facebook if it's not updated. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.